Hi, I'm Nick Edwards, a Porsche Global Certified Brand Ambassador here at the Collection Porsche. It's my pleasure today to introduce you to the Apple CarPlay feature in the Porsche Panamera PCM system. To begin with, you must connect your iPhone via the cable in the storage compartment to activate the Apple CarPlay. Once you've done this, the system will prompt you to choose between either iPod or Apple CarPlay. You can select the Apple CarPlay feature, and now it will download to the PCM. Very simple and easy to use. From here you can access all your favorite Apple products and Apple apps, such as your maps, and you can even use Siri to ask questions. Hey Siri, where is the local gas station?
One possibility I see nearby is Marathon on Bird Road. Let me know if you want to hear the whole list.
Returning back to your home screen, you will see popular Apple products such as WhatsApp, Pandora, and other apps which may sync with the car. Very simple to use, very effective, and you can access it in just a matter of seconds.